History made. President Trump awarded first ever FIFA Peace Prize at World Cup draw. Did you ever imagine Donald Trump winning a Peace Prize from FIFA? Well, believe it or not, it just happened. The world of football has delivered a massive surprise that has everyone talking. During the 2026 FIFA World Cup draw, President Donald Trump was honored with a brand new, historic award. His first reaction? He admitted, "This is shocking." Why did FIFA give him this award, and how is the world reacting? Let's dive into this breaking story. The scene was set in Miami at the 2026 FIFA World Cup draw. FIFA President Gianni Infantino took the stage to announce the inaugural 2025 FIFA Peace Prize. He stated this award is dedicated to an individual who has achieved exceptional action to promote peace and unity around the world. And then the announcement came. Please welcome the very first winner of the FIFA Peace Prize, the 45th and 47th President of the United States, Mr. Donald J. Trump. This marks the first time FIFA has honored a sitting president in this way. When Donald Trump walked up to the podium, even he seemed genuinely surprised. In his acceptance speech, he candidly said, "This is shocking." He went on to thank FIFA and Gianni Infantino. The White House was quick to celebrate, tweeting out, "Peace President." Remember, Trump played a massive role in bringing the 2026 World Cup to North America, brokering the deal between the USA, Mexico, and Canada during his first term. FIFA says this prize honors that effort to unite the world through sports. Of course, it wouldn't be a Trump story without a little controversy. The internet is currently divided. Supporters are calling it well-deserved and hailing him as a peacemaker. On the other hand, critics are stunned by FIFA's decision. But one thing is certain, Donald Trump has once again defied expectations and written his name in the history books. Now, I have to ask you, do you think Donald Trump deserved this FIFA Peace Prize? Let me know your honest opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like button and subscribe to FameFlash. See you in the next breaking news update.